When we go into complex modeling, we need to save our models that we have created, and we have to use it in many times in our project in the future. So we have to save those models and use it further. And even if we want to share our model, that whatever model we have created on the internet, so we have to use components. Through components we can use it. So for that we have our first step is component window, which we can find in the default tray and under the components tab, and I will pin it in my default tray. So yeah, so we have this component window here, and we have these three options that I'm gonna focus at the moment. First is select, and in this you can have basic components here, like it will show you these two options. First will be component sampler, and another will be the dynamic training. I will discuss further about it. And on the under the edit, you can edit your components. There are options, you can try it out. And even under the statistics, it will provide the details of about the particular component that we have. It includes edges, faces, all 3D polylines. You can find it in here. So under the select, you have these two components, sampler as well as dynamic components. So in component sampler you have been given sample components. Even dynamic components will have more detail in it. If I want, like there are cars, sedans are here, there are 2D people 2D peoples are here, even 3D couch is here. And before going on, I'm gonna discuss these options. So in this you can always increase your thumbnail and the view of this list. And under this home, you can see under this you can see there, this is the list of the components that we can have in our model. So first is the in model the components we already do have in our model, and second is the components that SketchUp gives us at after the installation, the what is essentials components. And later these components starting from architecture, landscape, construction, people, transport, these components will you will get when you are connected to internet. Right now I'm not connected to internet, so I can't show you, but when you click on the architecture, every component related to architecture will be shown here in this panel, and you can use it further. So let's start with component sampler. So if I want let's say a bed here, so I will just left click it and drag it here. You can see component is very similar to groups that we have discussed earlier. It is under a box, and even it is subdivided with the different things, so you can select and manipulate it later. Even the component we can, as we have studied earlier, components will be easy to manipulate, rotate. Like I want to rotate this, I will press Q, that is rotation shortcut, and I will make it 90 degree, and I will move. So by pressing M, I will drag it till there. So you can see I have added a bed here through the components bar. Even I want to add a car, drag and add it here. You can see we have a car. So it's very simple. The components are similar to group, but they have some more details in it. and we have some what I could say, some profit out of it. I will discuss that in later videos. And so these are the options that we have. Even I want to have frame, so you can see I can have frame here. So these are the many things that we can get here, like 2D trees. So this is really helpful for us, the components window. I will discuss more about it in future videos, but first you have to try these things and explore these options that we have under component window by yourself, and we will progress further. Thank you.